finish this battery storage investment model, and I think it's already aligned with your requirement. Okay, so first of all you need to enter data in this inputs tab. Then you can see all basic assumptions here. It's just only for viewing, not you do not need to enter anything here. And then this is the dashboard where you can see all final calculation. Okay, and I will add more chart here, and when I need, and you can see the calculation here, the details calculation, how what uh, goes under the things. And let me show you how this calculation works. Okay, so first of all you need to enter like starting year, uh, number of years, and other details here. And this is the currency details, and this is for scenario, like for the base scenario all multiplier is 1, but for conservative or optimistic it will change automatically. Okay, suppose I change this one, it already changed. Okay, so let's get back to base, and then you can see other details here. Okay, and okay, now I will just change this here. Okay, for now just consider this column D, Z, and they are working as actual calculation, because I am not using column E, H, and K. So I probably later delete this, or maybe I will use that other way. I was planning different things earlier, then I changed my mind. Okay, so that's it for now. Just skip this column. Okay, consider this is the 1 year's details, and same thing for OPEX and profit related other things. Okay, and that's it. And in the calculation you can see everything is grouped under its category. So we can consider these are the main heads for base option, and then provider B, and then provider C. So these are actually the details. And for the year 0 actually means year before the investment. So for starting year is going as year 1, and then it goes total 20 year, and this year also calculate automatically. Suppose let me show you, if we want to change the starting year like 2027, then you can see it will change accordingly. And we can reduce the duration, like we can consider this like 10 years. It will update, you can see year 10, and rest will be keep empty. Okay, so this is how you can modify things. But let's put 20, and you can enter maximum 20 years, otherwise it getting complicated more. Okay, so that's it. And then rest of the things also calculate automatically. And so you basically do not need to check calculation unless you want any specific details, like exact cumulative cash flow for an exact years or something like that. Okay, so that's it. And the dashboard I will update this more. For now it's let's check this, how these things works. If you are okay this approach and this model, just give me more details how I can improve things, or maybe I missed something, because it's a very complicated thing. And also I first worked with English, then I converted this to German language, so maybe I miss translate things in wrong way, you can just pointing things to me, so I will update. Okay, so suppose label is maybe label sometimes may not appropriate, so in some cases you will adjust yourself, but for now you can let me know later if anything not really basically anything not formula you can adjust, it will update automatically. Like this one is a formula used, so you don't need to change this one, and this one also you can, it's a text, so you can change this one. That's simple, but you can see this one and this one actually pointing out this one, so you can that means when it's a text you can update or fix the language. Okay, and also if you want to skip that things, you can also pointing things or enter a comments like right button, click right button and click option comments, it will show the pop up the comments box. Okay, so that's it. I'm progressing this, and it's almost finished. I mean, it's almost 80% done. I will add different charts now, and give me some suggestion if I am forwarding in the wrong way. Otherwise, if I go too far and you find this not work satisfying your what I can say expectation, that will make things complicated. Okay, so that's it. It's really my pleasure to work with you, and hope this will really satisfy with your requirement. Okay, thank you very much for your patience.